It is a bottomage of principal rafter. It is inclined member. Dead load plus live load. Dead load plus wind load. Dead load plus live load plus wind load. Dead load plus snow load, but this is not applicable for the southern part of the country, India. Only in the Himalayan belt, in such places, only snow load has to be considered. They are combined. Acted and critical condition load. Hope you are noting down. Hello.
Yes, sir. We are noting.
Where CPE is equal to external pressure coefficient. CPI is equal to internal pressure coefficient. Surface area of a member. CPE minus CPI into A into P into Z. This is the wind force. The design wind pressure PZ the height Z where Vz is equal to design wind velocity Vb is the basic wind speed. This is the code. See, this is the basic wind speed. Do you have this code with you? I said 75 part 3 2015.
No, sir.
Try to download that book. At least note down this class design wind speed. I don't know what it is. Design wind speed Vz. The basic wind speed for any site shall be obtained from the figure 1. See, this is the figure 1. Like this, similarly for seismicity activity also, there is another code called IS 1893 Part 1 2016. This is for the wind code. See, where is Hyderabad in this? Hyderabad is here in the blue color. So the basic wind speed is 44 meters per second. This coastal Andhra is in 50 meters per second zone. Up to Chennai, Pondicherry, it is 50 meters per second. Design wind speed at height Z in meters per second. Probability factor, that is risk coefficient, uh, and then terrain roughness coefficient, topography factor, and importance factor for the cyclonic region. These things you don't have to memorize. It is there. Figure 1 shows the basic wind speeds for terrain category 2 as applicable at 10 meters above ground level based on 50 years mean return period. That is 50 in the 50 years. What is the average? The suggested life period to be assumed in the design and the corresponding K1 factors for different class of structures for purpose of design are given in the table 1. So this is the table 1 for various basic wind speeds. Similarly, the terrain or height factor selection of terrain categories shall be made with due regard to the effect of obstructions which constitute the ground surface roughness. The terrain category used in the design of a structure may vary depending on the direction of wind under consideration. Wherever sufficient meteorological information is available about the nature of wind direction, the orientation of any building or structure may be suitably planned. Category 1 exposed open terrain with few or no obstructions and in which the average height of any object surrounding the structure is less than 1.5 meter. Open terrain with well scattered obstructions. So based on the category, we have to, there is category 3 also. And then category 4. Depending on the height of the structure and for the various terrains, the K2 values are given. The topography factor K3, the basic wind speed is given takes into account the general level of sight above mean sea level. This does not allow for local topographic features such as hills, valleys. You see, the effect of topography shall be significant at a site when the upward wind is more than about 3 degrees. Then importance for cyclonic factor is K4. See, the east coast of India is relatively more vulnerable for occurrences of several cyclones. On the west coast, only the Gujarat is vulnerable for severe cyclones. Studies of wind speed and damage to buildings and structures point to the fact that speeds given in the basic wind speed map are often exceeded during cyclones. So sometimes even they will exceed the values that are shown in the figure 1, what you have seen now. But if it is at least designed and detailed as per this, then the structure will be safe. It will give you enough warning for the occupants if there is any problem in the structure. The effect of cyclonic storm is largely felt in a belt of approximately 60 km width at the coast. In order to ensure better safety of structures in this region, the following values of K4 as recommended. K4 is equal to structures of post-cyclonic importance. See, the hospital, schools, they should function even after cyclone. Otherwise, how will they communicate? For such things, K4 is taken as 1.3, and for industrial structures it is 1.15. For all other structures it is 1. Yeah, in this, let me discuss this. There are the deflection limits in the IS 800. Internal pressure coefficient. Instead, there can be suction also completely. See, these are the pressure coefficients, CPE. This is given by H and W. For building height ratio, if H by W is less than or equal to 2, less than or equal to half, and H by W is greater than half and less than or equal to 3 by 2, greater than 3 by 2 less than 6, greater than or equal to 6. For intermediate angles, then we have to interpolate these values. This is the AB, CD surfaces. These are for pitched roofs. These are for the buildings, rectangular clad buildings, and these are for the pitched roofs. So depending on the pitch of that roof angle, now what we are discussing is this only. In that EFG, EFGH is denoted. This is the wind direction, and what is the angle? This wind is coming on this direction. This is called windward direction. This is the leeward direction. So that EF indicates this. You should have a copy of the code book. Then only, otherwise you can't memorize anything. All these things. EF and GH. For wind angles, theta is equal to 0 and theta is equal to 90. And various values for various values of HBW. H is the height to eaves or parapet, and W is lesser horizontal dimension of a building. Take one small example. Can you stay there, stay back for another some 20 minutes, Baba? Hello?
Yes, sir.
But none of you have the code book with you, no? Okay, what I will do is today is first, second, third. You have fourth, no? Exam fourth and sixth and eighth. Eighth is the steel exam.
Yes, sir.
What I
Yes,
will
sir,
do
on
is,
8th.
okay, because you have to study a little bit about the code. My request is please download the code and then go through it. And after the exam on 6th, just half an hour, I don't take much time. Shall I take half an hour so that you will be familiar with the code? I will do only one example in this. That will be better after the exam 6th. I don't touch 6th evening, immediately after the exam. If you can spare half an hour, just I'll explain so that you don't have to waste much time. Tell me, Baba.
Okay, sir.
None of you have the code book with you, know, right now. I should have told you. I thought you may be knowing that. In the beginning classes, I told you that they should be require this code. I forgot to remind you again. Please download the code and then go through the classes by tomorrow, because you will be preparing for the environmental engineering exam, no, and for the fourth exam.
Yes, sir.
So my request is download the code either tonight or tomorrow. Just spend some half an hour time for these classes what are I shown. Go through that. Then what I'll do is I'll solve only one example on 6th evening. You have exam in the morning or afternoon? Baba, end exams, Baba. Oh, okay. I think you have morning exam and also end exam. That is midtime exam in the afternoon, no?
Mid in the morning and semester in the afternoon, sir.
Okay, okay. Mid in the morning, yeah. Okay. Okay. Then you'll complete the exam by 5 o'clock wherever you are. At least by 7 o'clock you'll be back home, no? Even if you are traveling. Those who have the opted the center set somewhere else other than Hyderabad. Did all of you opt Hyderabad or did you opt somewhere else? I mean, near to your native place.
Near to native
I'm
place.
up.
Sir.
Near to native place, అమ్మా ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారమ్మా?
Only 5 or 6, sir, I think.
5 or 6. And how much time will it take for you to come back home after the exam?
Sir, we can reach by 6 or
Oh, okay, amma. 7 is okay. 7 o'clock. Just half an hour because for the same exam, no, whatever you are writing, you are going to write.
yes, sir.
Others happen because you don't have code book with you. Otherwise, even if you try to solve, nothing. You don't have any values. Whatever I showed here, no, you are not familiar with the code. This is IS 800. You are all familiar with this code, but not this IS 605 Part 3 2015. Part 1 and 2. Hope you know about this IS 875. Part 1 is for dead loads. Part 2 is for live loads. Part 3 is for wind loads. And part 4 is for snow loads. Now, you should be familiar with these codal provisions, Baba. Uh, Live load values we take 2 kN per meter square for residential purposes, 3 for office, and 4 for sometimes industrial. All those values are given in the IS 875 part 2. Okay. What is the code book for reinforcing bars? Okay. Anyway, we are going to study MTech, no? That time, MTech course, that time I'll discuss again. If I take that earthquake resistant design of buildings in the 5th year. Emma, it's already 9:15. What I do is, please go through these things, whatever I have done, discuss, and have a copy of the codebook with you. Tell me whether shall I take class tomorrow or 6th. Tell me, Baba. Either tomorrow evening or 6th evening.
On 6th, sir.
Okay. And 6th evening, I'll take only half an hour. I'll solve one example so that it will be easy. And whatever you have whatever I had discussed till now, if you study, you can answer all the questions. I mean, in the choice, you may have to forego either one or two. But for drawing, please don't leave the what is that welded plate gutter. You will get either one roof truss design completely, or the welded plate gutter, or the tension and compression members. So there is battened columns, battened or laced columns. Okay, like that you'll get something.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I discussed, please don't leave anything in that. Because I was on medical leave for almost a month, I could not complete in time. This is the first time in my service I could not complete in time. Precious concrete was simple, so I could able to cover that fast. And whereas this requires a lot of codal provisions, steel tables. That's why I had to teach slowly a little bit. But as far as the exam is concerned, you don't have any problem about whatever I had discussed till now. You do practice by taking any textbook. Environmental engineering subject is easy, na Baba? Hello, మాట్లాడరేమండి బాబు. Did you study that or not? Emma, Moses, Sai Shiva Sai Charan, this is Takiri. Are you there or not, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you complete the preparation for environmental engineering?
No, sir,
No,
not
sir.
yet.
ఎట్లా అమ్మా ఓకే సార్ చదువుకోండి ఒకటి వాటర్ మేబీ ఈ ప్లాన్ యాజ్ పర్ యర్ కన్వీనియన్స్ అండ్ దెన్ ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఇస్ సెకండ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఇస్
Foundation engineering.
ఓకే థర్డ్ ఇస్ స్టీల్ ఫోర్త్ ఇస్
Pre-stressed concrete.
ఓకే ప్రీసియస్ కాంక్రీట్ ఇస్ సింపుల్ at least did you complete the preparation for that? Nobody is
No,
answering.
sir.
No అంటే ఎట్లాగ బాబు I hope you have learned how to find out the deflections for the different cable profiles, no? Using momentary method. ఏమైనా మాట్లాడరు బాబు ఎస్ ఆర్ నో
Yes, sir. Short term and long term deflections.
నాట్ agreed. Did you study how to derive the formulas, Baba? Derive the formulas for various cable profiles. We have the deflection due to pre-stress, no?
Yes, sir. We derived, sir, that
If you derive,
parabolic and straight, triangular,
yeah. If you
angular.
derive that, it will be easy. You don't try to memorize them. Using momentary method, you can derive them easily. And code book, you should be familiar with the code book. Okay. Okay, Amma. What I'll do is, please go through these classes once and then try to have a copy of the code book with you. On 6th, I'll start early by 7 o'clock. By 8, before 8 o'clock, I'll stop. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amma. Okay, all the best for your exams. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, Babu. Good night, Amma.
Thanks.